Okay, so time is up, and it's time for me to go ahead and use the TubeBuddy random comment selector to choose or to help me select the winners to this giveaway. Now, I want to take this second to thank every single one of you guys, who've been watching videos and commenting. I did say that the giveaway would be for people within the US, but I still got, so many people outside the US still commenting and showing their support, and I truly, truly appreciate that. I had many of you guys saying, hey, I don't live in the US, but I want to say that, I encourage you and I like your channel and all that good stuff. Truly, truly appreciate that. Thank you. Now, in light of that, what we're going to do is, because we have quite a few comments from people, who clearly say, hey, I'm not in the US, who live overseas. We have quite a few comments from those people. I want to make sure that I do this just once. So I'm going to select maybe 5 people. Let's say 5 people. And we're going to go through the 5 people. And I'm hoping we get a couple or more people within the US so that we can end it. So we're going to go through the 5 people. So let's say if the first person is not in the US, then we'll move on to the next one until we get the US, the person who lives in the US. I think I'm rambling at this point. I'm just all over the place. But anyways, thank you so much. Again, as I've said in the previous video, I'm going to make an international giveaway at some point in the future. I can't tell you that's going to be the next one, but eventually I'm definitely going to make that. I'm still reaching out to, different manufacturers to see if I can work with them and have them sponsor an international giveaway. That would be much easier for me. I'd be, hands off. Otherwise, eventually, I'm going to figure out, the whole logistic involved in running an international giveaway. So just bear with me. I'm definitely going to run one, at least one. International one. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my screen also as I'm doing that so that I can just tag to this video in the editing software. So good luck to you guys. Okay, so this is kind of the back end of things on my channel. So this is where I come and take a look at the metrics and all that good stuff, analytics. But we're more interested in the giveaway, right? And the TubeBuddy tool is right here. So I want to click that, pick a winner, boom. And like I said, we want to keep it simple, straightforward, very fair, hands off. All I got to do is start the program and it will run and pick a winner. I don't know why I'm getting nervous. I'm giving away $2,000 why I'm getting nervous. Okay, anyways, let's do it. There we go. First one, so it's going to go through all of the whoa, that was kind of fast. Okay, this is the first winner, and the name, I'm probably going to butcher the name. I'm sorry if I mess up the name. Jayton? Sane? Or Sign? Not sure. And the comment is, participate from India, please give tablet. I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. I appreciate you jumping in, the giveaway. But unfortunately, this one is limited to people who live in the US. But no worries. Of course, like I said in the videos, I will run an international giveaway at one point in the future. So, keep an eye out for that, And of course, thank you again for watching and supporting the channel. Maybe better luck next time. So make sure to keep an eye out for when I do an international giveaway so you can join that one also. All right, so far we don't have a winner just yet because Jayton here is in India. All right, so next one. Okay, so we have a new winner here and the name is Watch Full Eye 15. Watch Full Eye. I'm so sorry if I butchered the name. I'm so sorry. Maybe, I'm definitely messing something up here. But anyways, if you see this and you recognize that that's your name, well, you are first winner. And I'm already seeing USA there. So, all right. So, hey, I'm new to the channel, but from the first watch, I subscribed. Nice, clear comments. Well, thank you. Thank you so very much, my friend. I truly appreciate that. I try to make things as clear as possible, and I try to interact with people as much as I possibly can. I'm sorry, I can't seem to talk today. Well, you are the first winner, right? So your choice is going to be between the Galaxy Tab A10.1 and the Vazking KingPad. Blah, blah, blah. I can't talk for some reason. Maybe it's just because I'm still nervous. the Vast King Pad SA10. Anyways, I will put all of the details in the post. All right, so we have our first winner. And so, yeah, I don't know why I'm getting nervous. Okay, let's pick the next one. Whew. All right, let's wait here. Mayank. Okay, so our next winner is Mayank. Mayank K. I'm sorry, I'm going to butcher these names. I'm so sorry. All right, so his message is actually pretty simple. I hope you go for international giveaway. So my assumption here is that you are outside of the U.S., which, it's all good, right? It's all good. I will be doing international giveaway at one point. Thank you for commenting and letting me know that this, you are international. I truly appreciate your support, of course. Truly appreciate you coming to the channel and commenting all the time. So look forward to keep an eye out for that international giveaway when I run one. Okay, so we are going to hit it again. I tell you, I get nervous every time I have to hit this thing. Let's get it over with. All right. Okay, so the next one is Fine Essence 808. Let's see. I'm hoping this one I got right. Fine Essence 808. Okay, you deserve this milestone. You are an amazing reviewer. Oh, thank you. You are too kind. This is really generous and it shows how gracious you are to reach this goal. I hope you gain even more, USA. Thank you so very much for the wish, Fine Essence. So I think we have our winners. Now, like I said, I am recording this. This is a screen recording, so I can't, it's actually currently good recording. So I can't go back to show you guys. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tag this. I'm just going to attach this in the video I just shot a couple minutes ago so that you can see, what am I trying to say? So you can watch the video and watch this. And of course, I'm going to post so that these guys could go ahead and contact, could send me the contact information so that we can I could go ahead and handle the, shipping part of the tablets. And that was it. I'm hoping, this was fun for you. Now, if you didn't win, of course, please keep in mind that, there'll be more giveaway down the road. I love doing this. I love interacting with people. This was kind of a fun thing for me. I'm sure if you didn't win, maybe it wasn't as fun, but please just keep in mind, down the road, I will have more. I'm just happy to see this, big family getting even larger, right? So stick with me through this journey and, eventually I'm sure you get something. But anyways, I'm just rambling at this point. We're going to go ahead and cut it off now. And thank you again for watching, of course. Look forward to the next video. Keep safe. Stay safe out there. Tons of peace. Tons of love to all of you guys out there. All you guys and gals, right? So peace and love to all of you, international, national, and all that good stuff. Thank you again so much for subscribing and watching. Stay safe out there.